The one lesson that's been drilled into me over and over is simple. The market doesn't reward you for staying busy or trading constantly. It rewards you for being correct. And more often than not, being correct means staying completely out of the market, doing absolutely nothing. That's the part most people struggle with. We all crave action, thrill, and constant involvement. But trading isn't entertainment or a casino game. It's fundamentally a game of waiting. You aren't paid for jumping in too early or too late. You're only paid when a high-quality setup appears and you've had the discipline to wait for it. Why do the majority of traders lose money in the long run? It's rarely because they can't analyze charts or don't have enough capital. The real reason is impatience. They simply can't sit still. They force entries, chase price action, and let restlessness destroy their accounts. When I first started trading, I tried to capture every small fluctuation. A few small wins here, a few losses there, and in the end, I was drained with little to show for it. Then I discovered the truth. Real money isn't made through non-stop trading. It's made by remaining patient until a genuine, high-probability opportunity presents itself. Big profits come from major trends and powerful moves, not from scraping small gains every day. Those major moves only materialize when all the conditions align perfectly. Until that happens, your job is to wait. Think of quality setups like scheduled trains. If you miss one, don't run after it desperately. Another reliable one will arrive eventually. But you have to know precisely what kind of train you're willing to board. Too many traders leap at anything that looks remotely promising. That's not trading, that's gambling. My most transformative trades, the ones that truly built my account, came from rock-solid patterns with everything perfectly aligned. Until those stars aligned, I stayed on the sidelines. From the outside, waiting might look like inactivity or laziness, but it's actually the highest form of discipline. The ultimate test of a trader is this: can you watch the charts all day and keep your hands off the keyboard? The market will constantly tempt you with distractions, false signals, and almost perfect setups. Your role isn't to participate in every possible opportunity. It's to act only on the ones with a clear edge. Fold everything else without hesitation. True professionals don't need to be in a trade at all times. They need to be in the right trade at the right time. Patience is your biggest advantage in this game. Without it, even the most sophisticated strategy becomes worthless. Look back at your biggest losses. Were they caused by the market being unfair, or by you entering before your exact conditions were met? Trading success depends far more on temperament than on raw intelligence. The calm, patient trader endures because they wait for their perfect pitch and then swing with full conviction. Ask yourself honestly, are you swinging at every ball that comes your way, or are you waiting patiently for the one right in your strike zone? The market doesn't care about your opinions, emotions, or desire for excitement. It only pays out when probabilities are strongly in your favor, and that clarity comes only after patient waiting. Waiting may feel tedious in the moment, but the reward is pure satisfaction when you catch a massive move and watch it unfold while others panic and chase. If your goal is lasting wealth rather than short-term thrills, train yourself to say no far more often than yes. Be extremely selective. Resist every impulse. Keep your hands firmly on the sidelines. The masses chase excitement and inevitably lose. Set yourself apart. Prepare thoroughly, wait calmly, and execute decisively only when your setup is undeniable. High-quality setups will always appear eventually. The critical question is whether you'll still have capital, emotional composure, and mental sharpness when they do, or whether impatience will have already eroded everything. That's the daily decision every trader faces. Choose patience every time. It's the unglamorous secret no one wants to accept, but it's the one that creates genuine, sustainable wealth.